Good morning, everybody. Spirit says that while we thinking everything is working out nicely as planned and we feel content and happy, something is coming our way. Whether it be bad or good, it's going to give us reason to go in deep and find the answers within us. We must take a leap of faith and believe in ourselves. Listen to your heart and do what gives you joy. You've been on a long journey, either physically or mentally, and they say it is leaving you a lot wiser than you were before. Talk about your feelings and tell a friend how you feel about somebody in your life that's still behaving badly and forgive that person. There is news on the way. Things in the world are coming to full circle, and freedom is going to be yours. You are getting insights that come from quiet meditation. You are going to find that you have the need for more sleep or take time off. You have to find relief from stress. um, there's good fortune coming your way. The universe is going to provide for you, and it's going to bring along unexpected joy. Think before you judge situations and people. We've had a period of ill health and depression, but things are speeding up. We had to reclaim our power, and there's a great deal of activity all over the news, all over the world, but we also getting sudden results as well. And it is a time to have important communications about things that are going on. They say that there's always enough, and you must stay focused on your peace and harmony. Don't let others coerce you into a decision you know is not right for you. Be honest with yourself always. We've had danger, especially in our money matters, but they say that something's coming your way, abundance, a speedy news, or a situation that brings abundance. Be fearless and bold. A situation has ended and you are finally free. New opportunities for happiness will now follow. Put the past behind you. Be at peace and stay calm. The time of great change is upon you. Take control of your own narrative and know that you are always enough. Don't doubt your self worth. Have a lovely Thursday, everybody. I love you all.